MmHmm. I think everyone loves a good pasta dish, and this one in particular is great because it's vegetarian and all done in one pot. So it takes less prep time and less cleaning up to do when you're done. I'll also show you a little trick I use to eliminate the need for vegetable stock in this recipe. Jumping right in, we're starting off with some butter, and to that we're going to add some olive oil. Saute some chopped onions till translucent. Add some minced garlic, bay leaves, zucchini, Scotch bonnet pepper, and you want to remove the seeds and the membrane. You want to saute that for 1 minute. Add tomatoes, add half of your basil, sweet pepper, and season that with salt and black pepper, and saute for 1 minute. You want to add ruku, now add your pasta. Now it might seem crazy to add pasta to the pot at this stage with no liquid, but this is the point where we're going to mitigate the seemingly mandatory vegetable stock addition that many of these recipes use. Cover the pasta and allow it to cook with the veggies for 4 minutes on low heat. The steam coming from the veggies and aromatics is going to infuse all these intense flavors into the pasta itself. So no need for any vegetable stock or any flavor cubes. You're going to get all the great flavor coming right from in the pot itself. After 4 minutes, add some coconut milk for a rich, creamy finish along with some hot water. You want to cover the pot and allow the pasta to cook for another 8 minutes on medium to low heat. Finish off the dish with a drizzle of olive oil and some fresh basil. Now there's nothing left to do but serve and enjoy. Of course, you can make this recipe your own by adding whatever vegetables you like. You could also add cheese to it, but I assure you, you're not going to miss any cheese in this dish because it's absolutely delicious. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and give it a share. And if you do try this recipe, post your pics to Instagram and tag us at eatahfoodtt. The full recipe is on eatahfoodtt.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.